Hi friends, now let us discuss synonyms and antonyms. See here, for verbal everything is integral. There will be no separate things. Word usage, sentence correction, sentence improvement, all includes that you must know the meaning of the word. Okay, now let us see some words and how they are related. See here, the relationship between two words can also be done by synonyms and antonyms. Now we will see word usage according to synonyms and relationship between two words regarding with synonyms and antonyms. Okay, now again as we said earlier, we will go with theory and problem solving at once, and that will be helpful and enrich your verbal aptitude levels. Okay, now see the first one. See, it is a relationship. Now the first one is gill and fin, it seems. Now what is gill and what is fin? Gill is a respiratory organ for a fish. Fin is a thing which helps to swim for a fish. Now see here, same, find out the same relationship between the things there. Now see here, salad and rice will also give you the same relationship. Kill and bomb, the separate things, right? Question and team, these are separate things. Gill and fin, see here, sea and fish, you have to find out the same relationship here. Salad and rice will give you the same relationship here. Now the second one, purpose relationship. Glove and ball, glove is used to catch the ball, right? Now the same relationship, see here, observe the option, summer, winter, stadium seats. Hook is used to trap the fish, right? The same relationship. Now action to object, break piece, when you break it becomes into pieces, right? Now see here, writer, pen, bread, bake, muddy, and these are all wide relationship. See here, kick, football, when you kick the football moves, right? When you break it becomes into pieces, the same relationship. Have you understood the things? Right, now let us go with the next one. He and his, the grammatical relationship. He, his, he is a male and his must also be male. Now the relationship is here, easy thing, she, her. Lion, lioness, see here, lion is a male thing, lioness is a female thing. Now find the same relationship, sex relationship. Duck and drake, drake is a female one, right? Next, object and creature symbol relationship. Flag and nation, it seems. Flag is a symbol to know the nation. Now see here, which one will help you there? Soldier, war, no, soldier is not responsible for only war. Now fox is the nature, right? It's cunning nature. Fox is a relationship with its cunning nature. Okay, now observe the next one. It's not fanner, it is farmer, right? Change it as farmer, his job is to grow crops. Now same, editor, his thing is to do edit the newspaper and publish the news, right? Egg, when it can be made into omelette. Now see here, which can be man, child, no. Judge, justice, no. A judge cannot be made into justice, right? These are equivalent terms. Now sack is a unorganized term of jute. When it is organized and refined, it becomes into jute, right? Okay, now abate, lesson, it seems. See, abate, lesson, see here, lesson means making things small, abate means aggravate the things, the similar relationship. Secret, clandestine, secret means making things hiding, clandestine means open up the things, right? Similar relationship. Now next one, confidence and diffidence. Confidence means having opinion of highness on you, right? and diffidence means exactly opposite to confidence. Synonym antonym relationship. Now the options, which options will help you here? Right, a baffle, clarify is the exact thing, right? Clarify means having clear cut opinion. Baffle means perplex, complex nature, right? Having no clarity on the things, right? Now warm, hot. Warm is degree of intensity. When it increases, warmness increases, it becomes hot. Now the fight will lead to war, right? What is a fight? Is a small thing. When it intensifies, then it becomes into war. Okay, Monday Tuesday sequential relationship. Now the next one is Wednesday Thursday, easy thing, easily explainable, right? Next one, inoculation is to dash. See, you are given with a proportion. Inoculation is with a ratio with something, has a relationship between something. And exposure, toughening. See here, when you have a polio vaccine, it's an inoculation, then what do we get? Immunity, right? Correct one. Exposure, upon exposing on some things, you'll toughen on the things, right? Next one, breeze, cyclone, a normal wind. When it reaches to when it intensifies, it becomes a cyclone. Drizzle, when it intensifies, it come to downpour, right? Drizzle means raining, right? It's not flood. Okay, next, oxygen, burn. Oxygen helps to burn the things. Carbon dioxide will extinguish the things, it suppresses the burning. Okay, next one, genuine, authentic. Mirage means is nothing but when during high summer you will be observed high waves on the road, right? These are not real waves, those are mirages. Mirages is nothing but illusion, right? Appearing a thing that there is a thing observing, but actually there is no nothing, right? Okay, now drill, bore, right? See here, drill, when you drill something and when you drill deep, it becomes bore. Sieve is nothing but having, tailoring the things, right? Now sift is the sift. See here, sift is making large lump particles into organizing large lump particles, organizing large lump particles is sifting, right? Large lump particles, right? Sieving is nothing but a small thing. When it intensifies, it becomes to sift, right? Okay, now country is to president. Now state has governor, easy picking. Next one, bread yeast, right? Bread, when a small count of yeast is added, then it becomes to bread. Curd, how curd is happened? By bacterial action, lactobacillus, right? B, bacteria, right? Next one, chromite is a part of chromium, an alloy of chromium. Now ilmenite is what? Of titanium alloy. Steel, rails. Alnico, see your engineering student, alnico is used for making magnets. Okay, next, naphthalene is for coal tar. Dyes is for which one? Petroleum, right? You can easily observe it. Tree, forest. Grass, lawn, easy observation, easy picking. Conscience, wrong. Conscience means a person's moral sense. A person's moral sense of right or wrong, right? Right or wrong. A person's moral sense, right or wrong. Now police is for what? Crime, easy relationship, right? We can frame very easy relationships here. Now Tehran is the capital of Iran. Now Beijing is the capital of China, easy thing. Now porcupine is a rodent, means your rat. Porcupine, a higher grade of rat is called porcupine, rodent. Now mildew will help you to have fungus there, right? Next, Poodle. Poodle is nothing but a breed of dog. A breed of dog. We are given some higher category relationships in order to have a clear understanding. Now homicide is also a breed of donkey, right? A breed of donkey. Next, right, choose the answer key corresponding to the word closest, nearly similar to the meaning of the word in capitals. It seems you have to find out the closest meaning to germane. What do you mean by germane, right? Germane is nothing but appropriate. We have given a dictionary meaning, appropriate. Now anybody can answer this. Boring, strange, innovative, or exactly opposite, related thing is called appropriate. Now the pair that best expresses a similar relationship, how will you find out this? Right, the pair that expresses a relationship similar to the expression in questions. Filter is impurity. Now filters are used for to make impurities. Now what is the exact relationship? This is a synonym antonym relationship. Testify, perjury is not thing. Testify is a thing, perjury is a separate thing. Perform penance is a separate thing. Now expurgate. What do you mean by expurgate? Removing objectionable things. Now see here, filter is also nothing but removing impure things. Obscenity means objectionable things. So the relationship will be expurgate and obscenity. Okay, next one, the pair that best expresses a similar to the expression in the question. No voice, seasoned. No voice means new to, seasoned. So the relationship same. See here, affluent, C option will be helpful for you. Affluent means rich. Impecunious means having no money. Having no money. See here, observe the meanings. We have given you many meanings that will be helpful for your GATE examination. The pair that best expresses a relationship similar to the expression in questions. Enervate, energy. Enervate means draining of energy, right? Draining of energy. Now the same meaning will be helpful to know what is that. See here, expung information. Expung means removing information. Right? Removing information, or written as info, right? Information, right? This is the best meaning. So we have given you many meanings, so hope this will be very helpful for you, right? Choose a pair that has most similar relationship to the given pair. Interested, jealous. See here, interested means having some affection. Jealous means having cowardness, having same relationship. Observe the things there. Decent, contemporary are similar meanings, right? The relationship between opposite things, it must be opposite. See here, hungry is normally having some interest to have a food or drink or something. Ravenous is very hungry, right? Interested is a normal thing. Jealous is, see here, I will write the meaning again here, very hungry, right? Intensification of interestedness is jealousness, right? Next, the pair that best expresses a relationship similar to the expression in the question. Foolish, sagacious. See here, foolish means knowing nothing. Sagacious means wise. Wise means intelligent. Now see here, which one will be very similar relationship to the foolish sagacious? Countable, static, or same things, right? Countable. Tardinate. See, niggardly generous. Niggardly is nothing but ungenerous, right? Ungenerous is nothing but equal to niggardly. See here, opposite meanings, right? So niggardly generous will be helpful to know the things. The pair that best expresses a relationship between similar relationship between in the question, right? Cantankerous, to shout. Cantankerous is nothing but bad tempered. Bad tempered. Bad tempered is cantankerous. Shout means an intensification of cantankerous. Now the same thing, right? Pacific. Lull. Pacific means dull. Lull means very dull, right? Same relationship. See, observe the remaining options also. I am going only to the options. Observe the remaining options also. Remaining options you can easily observe the things, right? Next, relationship similar to the things it's in. Grimace. Grimace means twisted expression. Twisted expression. Grimace means twisted expression. Twisted expression means giving a mocky smile, right? Pain. Pain. This is the relationship. Now you have to find out the same relationship in the options. Smile, hated are opposite things. Blink, nausea are separate things. Blinking means eye blinking. Nausea means feeling vomiting sensation. Now sneer, contempt. Sneer means the same. See here, mocking smile. Mocking smile means having an artificial smile. Contempt is having the pain in them, right? The similar relationship of grimace and pain is sneer, contempt. Now see here, choose the pair not similar. See here, not similar, right? Breeze, gale, right? What is breeze? What is gale? Right? Breeze, gale. Breeze, gale. Gale is nothing but undue expression. Undue expression means unconditional expression. Undue expression. Now see here, breeze is means a cool thing. Gale means an undue expression means exactly opposite. Now you have to find out not similar things. See here, consider, formulate will help you to have the different things, right? A positive thing. Question is a negative thing. You have to frame a positive thing. See, giggle, laugh will use the same. Giggle is a smaller laugh. Laugh is an intensified thing, right? Drizzle, pour. See here, drizzle is a normal rain. Pour means a heavy rain, right? So it must be exactly opposite. Consider, formulate. Now choose a pair that has most similar relationship to the given pair. Most similar means extravagance, spartan. Extravagance, spartan means what? Showing lack of luxury, right? Showing lack of luxury means being tough. Now the same meaning. See here, nature, ambiguous. These are opposite meanings. Despair, hopeless means something, right? Despair means hopeless are separate meanings. Person, credible are, these are different things. Speech and taciturn. Speech is comprehensible words and taciturn means saying little, speaking little, saying little or speaking little, right? So we have given you many meanings here, right? Next, relate the words best similar to the top, right? Marshal, security. Marshal is a person that he is intended for security, right? Now see the questions there. Catalyst reaction, is it catalyst reaction? No, catalyst will improve the reaction, will boost the reaction. That is not the main thing for reaction. See here, spice is a thing that gives you taste. This is the correct relationship, right? Now Choose the pair that best expresses a relationship similar to that expressed by the original pair. Inflate means making big. Magnitude means the level of making big or low. Now find out the same relationship. See here, extend and duration will help you to know the answer. Extend means improving the things, increasing the things. Duration means having the time, right? How much it is extended will give you the duration. Inflate means increasing the thing. Magnitude means how much it is inflated. Am I right? Right. Next, maverick, stray. Find out similar relationship. Right? Maverick. What do you mean by maverick? Maverick means independent. Maverick means independent. Now stray. Stray means dependent. Having same relationship. See here. Miser, money. Miser, money are the separate things which cannot be related. Expert, ignorance. Expert, ignorance. No, they are separate things, right? Now, rumor, truth. This is not a similar thing. This is a similar thing. Hermit, reluce. What is hermit? Hermit is similar meaning of maverick, independent. We have to find out very similar meanings. Hermit is independent. Recluse is also dependent. Similar, force similar thing. Now choose the which is farthest to the word mentioned in the question frivolous, right? Right. What do you mean by frivolous? Sorry, it is frivolous. I am really sorry, it is frivolous. What do you mean by frivolous? Frivolous means not having any serious value. Not having serious value. Not having any serious value. Now automatically anybody can answer. Farthest means opposite, serious value. Right. Next, find out the best relationship. Similar pair. Murky, obscure. See here, murky is nothing but gloomy, dull. Obscure means rare thing. The similar relationship here, glorious. Here exactly opposite here. Delinquent, innocent is also opposite. Pigmented is also opposite. Pigmented means heavily dark, right? Now skew, slant. Skew means extreme things. Slant means observing only on similar things, right? Skew and slant will be helpful. Each of the questions has a related pair. Find out the best relationship. SBI is a bank. ICICI is also a bank, right? But both are independent banks. LIC is a dependent, it gives housing loans, right? IBPS is a organization that conducts examination. UPS is also a independent organization that conducts separate exams. So this is the relationship between them, right? If we have any doubt, we can have a doubt session also, right? Okay, choose the option which is closest to the word chimera. Chimera, what is the meaning of chimera? A myth object. A myth object, I will write clearly. A myth object. Myth, MYTH. Again I will write it, sorry. MYTH. Myth object means feeling that there is something, right, which is close. Then easily, if you know the meaning, the options are very easy. Illusion is also nothing but thinking of something, it is there, right? Choose the option which is farthest to the word mentioned in the given below. Charm is nothing but what? Delighting. Charm is nothing but a quality of delighting. Quality of delighting, which is farthest. Then fascinate is also the same. Elucidate is also the same. Bemuse is also there. Puzzling someone means delighting someone. Bemuse, puzzling someone. Irk is the farther opposite thing. Irking means irritating, right? Next, choose the option which is farthest to the word mentioned in the question. Morose. What do you mean by morose? Morose means ill-tempered, 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 and a low person. Now, which is farthest? Then everybody can answer this easy thing. Exuberant. Exuberant is nothing but farthest thing, full of energy, full of energy. Exuberant is nothing but full of energy. Exuberant is nothing but full of energy. Now choose the option which is farthest to the word mentioned. The farthest means opposite. Succinct. Succinct is nothing but clearly expressed. The meaning of succinct is clearly expressed. Now what is the farthest? See here, tacit is also clearly understandable. Sorry, clearly understandable. Right. Now what is the farthest? See here, clearly prolix. Prolix is the farthest word. What do you mean by prolix? Lengthy words, right? Lengthy words. It's not clear and crispy. Lengthy words. Now choose the option which is closest to havoc. Havoc is nothing but what? What is the meaning? Wide destruction. Widespread destruction. Widespread destruction. Widespread destruction. Now what is the similar meaning? Dud, disaster, no. Mayhem. Mayhem is the closest, right? Violent disorder. Violent. Mayhem is nothing but violent disorder, right? Violent disorder. Next, choose the option which is closest to the mentioned question. Audacity. Audacity means willing to take risk. Audacity is willing to take risk is the meaning. See, these are frequent words that are coming in the newspaper, right? Where we fumble easily. Now the what is the closest thing? Anybody know? Fearfulness, serenity, coy. Which is the closest meaning? Temerity is the closest meaning. What is temerity? Boldness. Boldness. Boldness is temerity. Next, the closest to the word bountiful. Now what is bountiful? Bountiful means large quantity. Large quantity. Large quantity. Now what is the same thing? Sparse means very less, trivial means less, extravagant means it's not in quantity, it's about the appearance. Plenty will help you to know the large quantity. Now choose the option which is farthest. Turbulent. Turbulent means disturbed manner, right? Now the farthest must be neat. Neat, right? Disruptive is also turbulent. Graceful is also turbulent. Eerie is also turbulent. And now see here, placid. Placid means neat. Neat. Placid means neat. Placid means without any disturbance and obstructions, right? Farthest to the mentioned vivify. Vivify means more lively. More lively. Lively means extraordinarily active. Now easily from options you can answer this. Dampen. Dampen means very low. Right. Next, unfortunately, so a sprinkler here, and choose the word perfect word. Unfortunately, she was left with only a false hope of getting into limelight again. Purely which one? Derisive, divisive, delirious, delusive. Delusive is the correct word. Delusive means an illusion. Thinking in an illusionary manner. Thinking in an which cannot happen, right? Choose the closest to the word mentioned in the question. Insight. Insight. See here, insight. These are the things which we fumble frequently, right? Insight is nothing but encourage or stirrup or stirrup. Stirrup means making, intensifying, right? Now which is the closest meaning that everybody can understand from the options? Excite is the correct one. Now closest to diligent. Diligent means showing care in work, showing utmost care, showing utmost care. Now which will be the closest then? See here, insipid means is not showing utmost care. Offhand means very detached. Innocuous is also a detached meaning. Meticulous, see here, meticulous means having sharp mind, doing correctly is the meaning of meticulous. Right, now choose the word which is nearly opposite to the meaning in the given word. Sensitive. Sensitive, see here, sensitive means being calm, cool and soft. Right, now the exact opposite meaning is authoritative, dissolute, taxis and inured. These are the separate meaning. These all will help you to know sensitive. Authoritative is also similar to sensitive, but inured is nearly opposite, exactly opposite. Insensitive, callous means thick skin. We often say that you are a callous fellow because he doesn't have any relationship. Callous means having thick skin, like your pig skin, right? Choose the word which is nearly opposite to the meaning. Accuse. Accuse means having an involvement in something, so you have to find out the meaning without involvement. Abrogate is a person having involvement. Besmake is also an involvement. Engender is also an involving thing. Exonerate is relieved from. What do you meaning by exonerate? Relieved from involvement, right? Exact opposite of involvement. Right. Choose the word nearly opposite. Paucity. Paucity is nothing but what? Present in insufficient quantities. Present in insufficient quantities, right? Now the nearly opposite meaning is nothing but what? Plethora is meaning in excess. Now piety is also being religious, a separate meaning. Agility is also thin, insufficient. Harmony is also smooth. Plethora, the meaning of plethora is in excess. Right. Choose a word which is nearly opposite to the given word. Enrage. What do you mean by enrage? Making very angry. So making them cool is placid, less angry, right? Making them placeable means less angry. Now pliant, which is the closest opposite meaning to pliant. Now what is pliant? Pliant is easily influenceable, right? Now opposite must be influenceable, not influenceable. Rigid, easy options. Choose the correct option which is closest opposite in meaning. It seems. Inured means pleasant. We have seen the same meaning before, right? Pleasant, and the exact opposite must be unpleasant. These are all pleasant things. A, B, D. Now barefoot is unpleasant, right? Unpleasant. This is the opposite. Now choose the correct option which is closest opposite. Transient means lasting for short time. See, like we say flight transit means it will be in that airport only for some time, lasting for short time. Now what will be the opposite? It must be with more time. So the opposite of transient is nothing but eternal. Eternal means it will be last for long years, right? Next, word meaning most nearly similar to meaning meteoric. Meteoric means, what is the meaning of meteoric? Fast rise. Fast rise. It will move fast rise. So the automatically by options we can say this answer is swift, fast moving. Choose the answer with most nearly. Obliterate. Obliterate means what? Wipe out. To remove the things completely. Now options, easy options, erase. Now choose the answer key corresponding meaning most nearly to the capital letters. Reprehend. Reprehend, right? Reprehend means what? Recklessness. Recklessness or disapproval. Disapproval. He will not approve to any things. Now what is the similar meaning then? Condemn. Condemn means cutting the things, right? Disapproving the things, right? That will be the closest meaning. Right. Next, again a sprinkler. Find out the correct word there. Frequent cleansing with water puts a severe strain on the production of antiseptic and protective oils by the skin glands, and to some extent it is bound to make the body surface more to diseases. More means susceptible. Susceptible means prone to diseases. Right. Next one, again coming to your synonyms, antonyms. Most nearly similar to meaning acquaint. Acquaint means making familiar. Making familiar. Now the most same meaning will be revealing, intelligent, hail, attain, or separate one. Choose the answer similar to solicitous. Solicitous is nothing but showing interest. Showing interest. The meaning of solicitous is showing interest. Now similar meaning is concerned. Concerned means he is concerned to her, right? Concerned to her means he likes her.